You have seen the video. Dozens of robots, perfect sync, kung fu, backflips, no human controlling them. But how? Okay, let me explain. There are 4 things that make this possible. Number 1, the robots know where they are. Each robot has a laser sensor called a LiDAR that scans the space around it, like a bat using sound. Combined with sensors inside the robot's own body, it always knows exactly where it is on the stage. No GPS needed. Number 2, they all talk to the same system. So imagine a conductor leading an orchestra. Here, instead of music, there is a central computer sending signals to every robot at the same time. This is called a cluster control system, and it keeps all robots perfectly in sync, even when moving at full speed. Number 3, they train billions of times. Before the show, Unitree ran the robots through hundreds of millions of practice rounds. But inside a computer simulation, of course, like a video game, the robots learn how to do a backflip, fall, try again, and get better without breaking any real hardware. Only after that, they practice on actual physical robots. If you want to know better about how this works, check my previous video about how the robots learn Kung Fu. Number 4, the human engineers fine-tune every single move of the robots. Because even with all that AI, real people watch every movement and adjust the timing, sometimes even down to the 1/10 of a second. That was made in order to make sure that everything matched the music and the other performers on stage. So to sum it up, laser sensors, a central control system, AI training inside simulations, and a lot of human work behind the scenes. What looked like a movie magic was months of engineering and millions of hours of virtual practice. And the crazy thing, just 1 year before this, the same robots could barely do a full dance. Now they are doing Kung Fu in front of several millions of people. Where will be for 2027? I don't know, but I will definitely be watching. Then if you find this interesting, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you are interested in learning all those techniques and practice with real humanoid robots like the ones of the Chinese Gala, join our Humanoid Robot Reinforcement Learning Bootcamp. In just 3 days, you'll go from zero to running intelligent control policies on a physical Unitree G1 robot. You'll generate reinforcement learning policies in simulation, work with the SDK, and then actually deploy what you have trained onto the real humanoid. It is a hands-on training, it is intensive, and it's limited to just 50 participants. Whether you are a research team exploring humanoid robotics or an engineer who wants to build a real demo fast with your humanoid robot, this bootcamp is built for you. Check the link below and enroll our next session.